Do you see this? There's like nothing in there. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we have another Ipsy glam bag. This month is very special because it is on my birthday month, so I'm praying that this one is going to be a very good bag. So I haven't done one in so long, and this bag seems very flat. So let's see what's inside. I'm not going to judge it, but it does seem pretty flat, so excuse me, Ipsy. Anyways, but this month they like taped it. Somebody's trying to get in my bag. Why is it taped? Usually it's never taped, so that's interesting. Okay, here we go. The moment of truth. Okay, so the first one, yes. Oh, so cute. So we got some face masks. This is by the brand Botanic Fiber, right? I think. Look how cute that is. It is like funfetti, unicorns, Sundays, and just, oh, that is so cute. This is like totally like me, and I think I get 2 of them, so let's see. I love getting face masks in Ipsy bags because it's like I use them all the time, and then I get like free ones from here, so it's great. So they're the same thing, but it's unicorn glow. Look at that. It matches like my background and everything. This is so cute. I want to smell it, but I don't want to use it yet, but I think it's by the brand BioBella. The bottom right here, but that is super cute, and I love that Ipsy gives you 2 and not just 1, so I appreciate it. And then this one, I actually claimed this one as a freebie gift. It's a Alexi Mini angled brush. Oh, so cute. Look at this. Look at the color. It's pink and it has like a copper rose gold ferrule. Oh, I love it. So basically, if you didn't know, if you review products and like do little tasks on Ipsy, you get points, and then you can redeem those points for freebie. So this was my freebie gift that I chose, and it is so stinking cute, and it's from Lexi, so snag. All right, so onto the bag. So this is what the bag looks like. I saw a sneak peek of what the bag looks like, and it was either gonna be blue, yellow, or this like reddish pink color, and I was praying to get this color because pink is my favorite color. My sister got blue, so I'm so happy they chose the right color for me. Thank you, Ipsy, but it seems really flat, but I'm not gonna judge it until I see. We got another Luxie brush. Wow. Oh, and it's a different one. This one is the Luxie small shader brush, and look how cute it is. Honestly, I love this like pink handle. It's gorgeous. This seems really nice. I can use this to like clean up my eyebrows or pack on shimmer shades. I love. So now I have 2 Luxie brushes. That is so cool. That's so cool. Okay. I like the sack. I like it. I like it. All right, and the next thing. So this is the Pixi Glow Tonic Exfoliating Toner, and I hear so many people talk about this, and I wanted to try it, and I now have a little sample size. Like, this is actually a really nice deluxe sample. Like, I'm so excited. Oh my goodness. Okay, this bag is killing it. It's killing it. And the next 2 things. Ooh. So this is a, what is this? What brand is this? This is Beauty for Real, and it is a 24/7 eyeliner in the color Whiskey. So it's either black or brown. I'm assuming brown because Urban Decay has an eyeliner named Whiskey and it's brown, but I could be wrong. And this is like a full-size eyeliner. Okay. Ooh, it's retractable. Ooh, it is brown. It's like a really nice, oh my god, that is so pretty. It's like a brown with gold copper flecks in it. That is so pretty, and I like brown eyeliners for my waterline because it's less harsh than black. This is really exciting, and it's super creamy, and it's retractable. Wow. All right, and the last thing is this lip stain from the brand Deuces. I got something from this brand. What was it? I think it was like a pigment or something a few months back, but I remember I couldn't pronounce this brand. But it's a lip stain, and the color is in, what does it say? Holiday Getaway. Okay, it's like this really nice kind of corally tangerine color, but it's a really pretty color. It's a really nice bright corally color. I like it. It's great for summer. Alright, so that was basically it in my Ipsy bag. Let's go ahead and do a recap. So I got 2 face masks, which is adorable. I got a Pixi Glow Tonic, which I'm so stoked about. A full-size eyeliner, a mini liquid lipstick lip stain, a eyeshadow brush, and then I also got my freebie eyeshadow brush. So I basically got like 6 or 7 things, and a really pretty bag as well. Thank you, Ipsy, for getting the color right. Like, thank you. So this is all I got in this month's Ipsy bag, and I take back what I said about it being so light and that it wasn't going to be a good bag, because it was really a good bag. I really liked it. The only thing I'm like okay about is the, where is it? The lip, what is this? The lip stain. The color, I don't know if it would rock it. You know what? You know what? I'm going to try it on right now. Let's not judge it before we try it on. Ooh. Oh my god, it's like so... Whoa, whoa, whoa. Hold on, hold on. Let me apply some more. It's like water on your lips. Like, it's not a liquid lipstick. It's not a gloss. It's just like water. But it dries down matte. So it's like, what are you? I take it back. I like everything in this bag, including that lip stain that I just put on. Wow. It's like, I feel like there's like nothing on my lips. And it's already dry. There's like no transfer. What? Even? I honestly... pretty stoked about everything, including the lip stain, even though I totally judged the bag before I even opened it. So lesson learned, kiddos. Don't judge a book by its cover, okay? As always, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Follow me on my socials right here, and I'll talk to you guys soon in my next one. Bye! My shirt says Jador. Isn't that adorable? Got my freebie gift, which was another... God dang it.